This is Sheila and Paul from Chicago. This past summer we had storm damage to the siding on our house, and since we had to go through the replacement process, we decided to just go ahead and upgrade from the original builder aluminum siding that also had high maintenance wood to the newer GenStone on part of the front facade. We decided on GenStone over other types of stone veneer and stone imitations because of its impact resistance and the added exterior insulation value. We were looking for contrasting gray colors with additional accent color, so we decided to go with the Keystone stacked stone. We did do a lot of upfront planning for our installation because we had a lot of custom cuts to go around the garage door, the porch column, and the front door. So we planned out the entire installation grid, charting the panel numbers and cut sizes for each piece. The detailed upfront planning really paid off in saving time during the installation because all we had to do was follow the grid and the layout. The lower front portion of the foundation that we covered was concrete, so it was well worth the $30 rental fee at our local home improvement store to rent an impact driver drill. Highly recommend that. Additionally, we used a sliding compound miter saw to make smooth, clean cuts on the panels, and we used an oscillating saw to quickly cut the positive and negative laps that were required. We also used stainless steel deck screws for mounting the panels to get a better weather resistance. The GenStone really upgrades the look of the house, and several neighbors have commented on how beautiful it is. We don't think that any of them realize yet that it is not stone. To give it an added authentic stone look, we did route out the panel above the garage door and actually mount a stone address block using the PL300 adhesive. At this point, we are extremely pleased with the outcome, the beautiful look, and the added value to our house. We highly recommend GenStone.